Elevate your videos from static to stunning by mastering the art of transitions within Higgsfield AI. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly blend your visuals using Higgsfield AI's powerful transition tools once you've laid out your scenes or elements on the timeline. The next step is to identify the points where you want a transition to occur. Simply click on the gap between two clips or elements on your timeline. You'll notice a transitions panel or library usually accessible on the side or bottom of your editing workspace. This is where the magic happens. Browse through the wide array of transition effects, from classic dissolves and wipes to more dynamic and creative options. Find the one that best suits the mood and style of your project to apply a transition. It's as simple as dragging and dropping your chosen effect directly onto the timeline, precisely where your clips meet. Once applied, you'll see the transition visually represented on your timeline. Now, let's talk customization. Most transitions allow you to adjust their duration. Click on the transition itself, and you'll typically find handles or a settings menu to control how long the transition lasts. A shorter duration creates a quicker, more energetic cut, while a longer duration offers a more gradual and cinematic blend. Experiment to find the perfect pacing for your narrative. Some advanced transitions might even offer directional controls, allowing you to specify the wipe direction or the path of a motion transition. Don't be afraid to try out different combinations. A well-placed transition can guide the viewer's eye, emphasize a change in time or location, or introduce a new element with impact. Remember, the goal is to enhance the visual flow, not distract from your content. By skillfully utilizing Higgsfield AI's transition effects, you can significantly elevate the cinematic quality and storytelling power of your video projects, ensuring a polished and engaging viewing experience.